Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to How to Escape, and today's question is from Thomas, who asked about an upside-down display for the backup camera. Unfortunately, this is fairly common where the camera inverts the image, but your text is still upright, as shown here. And there are other threads talking about this on places like fortescape.org. So after doing some light research, I found the 3 most common ways to fix this, starting from easiest to hardest, but all of it's still pretty easy. The progression includes a sync reset, then the battery disconnect, and then finally to replace your camera module. Let's get started. So first, nice and easy, let's try the master reset. You'll just need your key. Navigate to your settings, then go to your system, then click master reset if you want to do this. This should do a hard reset to your sync system, so it tells you to take out your USBs, SD card, all that. Once pressing this, check your backup camera by putting the key in again, and hopefully this works. If this doesn't work, move on to fix number 2. Number 2 involves disconnecting the battery and letting it sit for 10 minutes for this method of a reset. You'll need a 13mm deep socket and a driver. Located in the back right of your engine bay, under your wiper cowl, you'll see this negative battery terminal post. Disconnect it and remove the post. Make sure that it doesn't contact any metal. Have it sit on plastic for about 10 minutes. Then reinstall the terminal with the 13mm socket. This should reset your sync settings and erase all your presets and everything. Now check to see if your backup camera is right side up by putting your car in reverse. If that still doesn't work, then we're going to have to replace the camera itself. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a T25 Torx, a 10mm deep socket, and a Phillips. It should take about 25 minutes if you're new at this. Start by removing the handle cover. You're going to expose 2 screws on the inside of the handle. Pull the whole handle out, and now you'll be able to get the trim off. Pull the center upper trim off first, then go to the left hand and right hand corners, and then pull the main panel off. Be gentle. This should expose 4 holes where you're going to use your 10mm sockets to remove 4 nuts to release the trim on the outside of the hatch that has your camera inside of it. Be careful not to drop the nuts. Once the nuts are off, pop the trim off and your camera will be mounted in the middle. The steps just shown involved our eBay backup camera install, but it's the same method to get to the camera. This here is the factory camera included with all escapes with this option. The part number is CJ5Z-19G490-B. Listed above is the task of parts, which is the Ford factory price of over $340, but below is the proven Amazon link to Dorman's product, which is about $163. A lot of people have said this works, and the part link is going to be in the description below if you'd like to go there. The next set of images is going to show what the factory trim looks like with the factory camera option. On the bottom of the trim is the camera. First, you're going to be removing this Phillips retaining screw to release the mounting bracket. Then, remove the mounting bracket. Once that bracket's taken off, you can pull the camera free from the housing, and then just make sure to disconnect the wiring from the socket on the camera. That's it. Once the new camera is installed, reverse the steps taken to reassemble the exterior and interior hatch trim, and then reconnect your battery. This should work to resolve your camera. Share any other thoughts, procedures, or tips in the comments section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more. And again, parts links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.